So this is another problem in single entry system or accounts from incomplete records. So this problem states as Mr. Rajesh keeps his books on single entry system. His financial positions as on 1/4/2019 as follows: cash in hand 5,000, cash in bank 4,000, furniture and fittings 2,000, stock in trade 10,000, sundry debtors 25,000, plant and machinery 30,000, sundry creditors 10,000, outstanding expenses 8,000. During this year, he withdrew 8,000 as drawings and introduced 30,000 as capital. So after that, he gave balances as on 31st/3/2020. So on 31st/3/2020, his financial position as follows: cash in hand 5,000, bank OD 10,000, debtors 20,000, creditors 15,000, furniture 25,000, stock in trade 30,000, plant and machinery 52,000, outstanding salaries 5,000. Prepare statement of profit or loss. So this is the given problem in the single entry system. Problem is given. The problem, from that problem we have to prepare two statement of affairs. One is as on 1/4/2019 and other as 31/3/2020. So for this 1/4/2019 statement of affairs, we have to take balances as on 1/4/2019. So once we see the problem once again, it is given first item is cash in hand. So cash in hand, we have to take the right side, it is a cash in hand 5,000. Next cash at bank 4,000, so that is also asset side. Next furniture and fittings 2,000, furniture and fittings is also asset side. Next stock in trade 10,000, so that comes also asset side. Next sundry debtors 25,000, plant and machinery 30,000. So all sundry debtors and plant and machinery are both are the assets, so we have to write these two on asset side. So next item is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors comes to the credit side, so we have to take this liability side. So next outstanding expenses, it is also liability, so we have to write the liability side. After writing the assets and liabilities, we have to sum up the assets and it comes to the 76,000. From that 76,000, we have to deduct sundry creditors and outstanding expenses, both comes to the 18,000. We have to deduct this 18,000. From that 76,000, we will get 58,000 rupees. This is a capital. It is nothing but it is a opening capital. As far as this problem is concerned, it is a opening capital. So next we will prepare a statement of affairs for closing capital. Next we are going to see the statement of affairs for closing capital. So this is the statement of affairs 31st/3/2020. So in this particular statement of affairs, we will take the balances as on 31st/3/2020 only. So first we will see first cash in hand. So cash in hand comes to the asset side, and bank OD. So bank OD is a liability, so we have to write the liability side. Next debtors is assets, we have to write the asset side. Next creditor is a liability, we have to write liability side. Next furniture, stock in trade, plant and machinery. So all these three are the assets: furniture, stock in trade and plant and machinery. These all three we have to write on asset side in statement of affairs. And next item is outstanding salaries. Outstanding salaries is a liability, so we have to write on that particular item on the statement of affairs liability side, so that is to 5,000 rupees. So after writing all assets and liabilities as on the date of 31st/3/2020, we have to sum up, we have to add all the assets, so that comes to 1,32,000. From that assets total, we have to deduct these total sum. So bank OD, creditors and outstanding, all these total comes to the 30,000. So we have to deduct this 30,000. From that 1,32,000 and we will get 1,02,000. This is the capital, it is a balancing figure. Balancing figure means we find out this balancing figure capital by preparing statement of affairs as on 31st 2020. So now we prepared opening statement of affair and closing statement of affair. So to find out the profit or loss of organization or organization and single entity system, we have to prepare statement of profit or loss, that we will see. So this is the statement of affairs. This is the statement of profit or loss. So first we have to start. So first we have to write the caption statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st/3/2020. So in this first item we will write the capital at the end. Capital at the end or capital as on the 31st/3/2020. This is the 1,02,000 rupees that we will write in the particulars and amounts. After that we will add the drawings. If it is given in the problem, during this year he withdrew 8,000 as drawings and introduced 30,000 as capital. So drawings is given in the problem, he withdrew 8,000. So that particular drawings we have to add to the closing capital. So here the closing capital is 1,02,000. For this we have to add the drawings he secured from the organization. So this drawings it is 8,000. So we have to add that 8,000 to drawings. That comes to the total 1,20,000. From that 1,20,000 we have to deduct the additional capital given in the problem. It is given as 30,000. So we deducted that 30,000 from the 1,20,000. We will get 90,000 rupees. That is called adjusted capital. From that adjusted capital we have to deduct the capital as on 1/4/2019, or it is the opening capital. So that one capital 1/4/2019 comes to the 58,000 that we have calculated by preparing statement of affairs as on 1/4/2019. That comes to the 58,000. That 58,000 we have to deduct from the 90,000. We will get 32,000. That is the profit of the organization for the financial year 2019-20. This is the problem. So I request you to subscribe and share this YouTube channel to your friends. And if you have any problems, if you have any doubts in this questions, you can directly put those doubts in the form of comments. Thank you.